G'day guys, it's Toby from Shiels. This is the favourite part of my day where I get to review a really good watch. This one today happens to be the Citizen Promaster. It's a Marine NY0071-81E, which, to cut a long story short, is a pretty sick watch. This one here is a titanium case, 200 metre automatic watch with a beautiful green bezel. You can see that there. The automatic movement makes it a lot easier for a diving watch. You don't need to service it by getting a battery replaced, so that it's actually much better for, you don't need to get it pressure tested, which costs money. This one actually has longer hands, which is characteristic of a mechanical movement. It's got a beautiful dial with meticulous attention to detail. If you have a look closely at that dial, you can see there. See that there? Beautiful, and right on trend with the green metallic look as well on that bezel. The titanium is actually really light, and some people that's a really positive thing. For other people, it's not their cup of tea. For me personally, I think it's amazing. It just makes the watch feel like it's not even on your wrist, which as well, because it's a sports watch, it's actually ideal. It's a striking timepiece, and it stands out on your wrist. It features also a Hardelix type glass, which is stronger than normal glass, more scratch resistant, and also the recessed bezel in there, so it avoids getting knocked on the side there. You can have a look. You can see a lower profile there. It's got an emerald green bezel, sleek black dial, and this timepiece will turn heads wherever you go. What an awesome watch! Come in and check it out.